Good evening, friends. Actually, today we are going to see about the job promotion, whether this is moral or legal right. Because before, when I am preparing this presentation, I also presumed that the promotions are given based upon the that is manager recommendation, managers things and all. But there are some case laws are there. So I want to share this information to our HR fraternity. We are all seeing that many of the present HRs are saying that there are many jargons used in the HR fraternity and forum. Job enrichment, job enlargement, and other things. Here, I want to say that the job enlargement is not a promotion. Say, for example, if we are assigning some responsibility to someone in addition to his present job, so that is not comes under the promotion. And we are changing the location. Say, for example, if someone is bringing from Karnataka to Tamil Nadu, and we are bringing a plant to plant or departmental change, that will not come under the ambit of promotion. And some of the people are that is changing from workman category to management category. That is also not comes under the definition of promotion. In the case of Uday Santikumar Dikshit versus Larsen and Dubrow, in this famous case, because I read only one case with respect to this subject actually. Actually, he was earlier as a workman and he has been promoted and he has been transferred to some other location and he has been denied for the promotion in the category of management category. So he filed the case under the court and that went to tribunal and tribunal also said that this will not come under the ambit of definition of workman. And he filed the petition before the High Court, and the High Court and also upheld the decision of the tribunal, and then that matter went to Supreme Court. In this case, the person, those who have worked under the definition of workman, not in the case of promotion case actually. He filed the petition along with the promotion and also under the class of this one condition of service. Actually, he has been transferred and that transfer is under the punitive. And he also denied for the promotion. So he filed the petition in that matter. The court denied and adhered that management can promote anybody with respect to their procedures and the policies. And but in the tribunal, in the case of conciliation and all, they said that the management has not observed properly. He comes under the definition of workman. He has to be considered for promotion. But Supreme Court denied, and they said that the higher courts should not go into the details of the definition of promotion and other things. That was the judgment given in the case of Uday Santikumar Dikshit versus Larsen and Dubrow Limited. And there are in very good old companies like TVS and other big groups, Indian companies, may have a grade system actually. Grade 1, grade 2, grade 3, grade 4, grade 5. And with a certain period of times, they will change the people from one category to another category. That is called the time scale of it. In a period of time, they will be migrated to one category to another, one grade to another grade. And they will get some emoluments while they are coming to the next grade. So those things will not comes under the definition of promotion. And sponsoring to the special project and the special assignment within their company, that will also not come under the definition of promotion. And multitasking. If someone is doing some job and the management decided to give the additional job to that person, and they are also giving some allowances for that, that will not come under the promotion. And what is mean by promotion? Now we are going to see. Promotion is the advancement or increase in the post of an employee. It is an added responsibility given to him. Is it right of an employee to be promoted as soon as the vacancy arises? The answer is no, because he is eligible. He has got the right to his right to be considered for promotion, but the right promoted to be the vest with the management. So he cannot claim for the promotion. In the narrow facet, promotion could be the right only when all necessary recommendation for the promotion of an employee has to be made, but only step and the final stage to push him at the top is left, because his right is he is eligible, has been recommended to be promoted. That is the right he is having. His eligibility and has been recommended to be promoted. So other things are vested with the top management. Hence, a promotion is not the right, though he has the right to be considered to be promoted before the management. Now, here the one question will arise in the minds of all the HR. Then what is the right provided under the Constitution of India, under the Article 16 Indian? That is what we are again and again saying. His right to be considered. He is having the right, but the right consideration is vested with the top management. That is provided under the Constitution of India. And purpose and advantages of promotion. Now, it is for the better performance. If someone is doing a better performance from the others, in many of the companies we are having average, below average, and meeting the expectation, above expectation, and outstanding or excellence. We are rating the people in the 5-point scale, 4-point scale, like that. In that way, we are assessing the people. And also we are in the category wise, like till the level of assistant manager, they will have the rating for performance is 50%, and the top that is business objective for 50%. Like that we are classifying. So if the company is doing good, he will also get the benefit out of that by way of getting the good scale of pay, and also for his better performance. To develop the competitive spirit among the employees for acquiring knowledge and the skills for the higher level of job. To retain the skilled and the talented employees. So here, to fill the job vacant position that is created due to retirement, resignation, and the demise of an employee. In those situations also, someone will be promoted to the vacant place. The vacancy arises because of retirement, resignation, or demise of an employee. Now, how many types of promotions are here? Up or out promotion. Here, earns a promotion or seeks the employment elsewhere. If I am not considered in this organization, I will go out. That is called out promotion. And up promotion. If I am not considered for the deputy manager position, now I am in the position of assistant manager. So if I am getting the job at the outside for the category of deputy manager, I will go out, and that is called the up promotion also. And a dry promotion. Here, promotion is given in lieu of increase in salary, because all the companies will have the target in the sales. 10% can be considered for the increment. So they could not consider some of the people that is higher, that is in the top management positions and all. They could not consider for the higher percentage of increase in salary. So they will give the dry promotion. Promotion will be in the paper, so they won't get any salary for the position they have they had given. And the paper promotion. These promotions are available in the government sector normally. Working in another department on transfer on request of an employee due exigency of the work. Say for example, some teachers, doctors, and other people will be promoted to here, and they will be promoted to there. And some of the people are commonly made a request to the government, and the government will have the counseling, and they will transfer the people by way of promotion from here to some other places. Normally, we are also saying in all the states, people, the police department officials are promoted by the way of DGP, SP, and other things because of retirement, because of somebody's death and all, and because of the administrative reasons. So these are all comes under the category of paper promotion. How the promotion should be actually? In many of the organizations where I have worked and I have seen many of one or two companies exceptionally they have the proper promotion policy. In many of the companies, we doesn't have the promotion policy. So we have to derive the promotion policy first. Actually, each category or each grade, how many engineers should be there. Like in many of the companies, junior executive 1, junior executive 2, junior executive 3, 4, and the engineer category also. In the assistant manager also, junior manager, that category, manager category, senior manager, senior general manager, like that various categories will be there. For to reach that category, what are all the things to be done by an employee, and this is to be well drafted with proper consultation of the top management by considering their business objective and by considering their master plan of the business and other things to be considered while deriving the promotion policy. I have one company format. I will show you after this presentation. That is well one actually well drafted actually. I will show after this presentation. And the identification of the promotion channels. If someone is in the category of junior level, if he wants to reach to the general manager level, what are all the things to be done to reach that level? A clear-cut policies, clear-cut definitions and the procedures to be available in the identification of promotion channels. Next, promotional appraisal. In many of the companies, the appraisal is done for the sake of convenience. They are not doing very rigorously in many of the companies. But some of the companies, they have a very good appraisal system. In the beginning of the year, that is in we can say in the December itself, what is the business objective, and each department should do how to reach that objective. Say for example, the EBITDA is around 10% means next year we have to reach to the level of 15% means each department. Say for example, with respect to HR means how I can reduce the cost to reach that 15% in the business. That is from the sales. How I can manage my talents. How I can reduce the cost by way of implementing the best practices. That things to be deployed to the each department to the bottom line. Actually, it should be from the bottom line, and detailed procedure to be available in the appraisal system. And if someone did that one, they should be recognized, and that those objective to be in the SMART principle way, that is specific, measurable, achievable, realistic, and the time bounded one. And it is it should be target oriented and the time bounded one. All these things should be available in the promotion policy, and it should be communicated to each employee, those who are come under the ambit of assessment. In the mid-year, they have to assess, and end of the year, the assessment to be done with a proper dialogue. Many of the companies, the top boss will assess the subordinates, and they are not discussing one and that is frequently, and they are not assessing properly. And the objectives are set by the top managers, and the bottom level people doesn't know what are all the objectives and how to achieve those objectives, because the managers has not spared the time with the juniors, and because of that, the operational system has collapsed in many of the companies. And all these centralized records and the promotion to be available, that is one thing. And now we are coming to the level of how the promotions are considered in Indian companies. In many of the cases, I would say, seniority is considered as a base for promotion. If I am working in a company, my age is around 25 to 30. If I served about 5 years in that company, and they have a practice, customary practice of considering for promotion, minimum basis 5 years. So he will be considered in that way. That is called the seniority as a basis. And merit basis in some of the companies, the educational qualification, they will give the ratings. Say for example, in one company I have seen, they will give the ratings for the educational as well as achievement, as well as their attributes, personal attributes and all, that is competencies. And another thing is their achievement, personal achievement. All these things will be considered for promotion. In that way only they structurized their promotional policy. So in this category, in many of the even government companies, they have a ranking for educational qualification also. If I did a MBA, before that, when I was joining in a company, if I did a BBA, if after joining within 2 years, I have completed the MBA, means 5 points will be given when assessment was happened in the succeeding year. That is got merit as a basis. And some of the companies, seniority come merit as a basis. Years of experience as well as the educational qualification, both the things will be considered for the promotion, and that will be considered, that will be taken care into the while the person is assessed for promotion. Now we are going to see what the case laws are saying in India. Some of the few case laws I have taken from this one. And right to be considered for promotion is a fundamental right. Right to promotion is not, says Guwahati High Court. Here, a person is having the right to be considered because I am having the educational qualification, I am having the seniority, but my case to be considered while they are considering the others. If 5 people are available in the company, each one to be considered, each one to be assessed, each one forms to be analyzed, that is promotional forms to be analyzed as per their promotional policy. That is considered, that is highlighted in this Guwahati High Court, that is in the case of H.M. Singh versus Union of India. In the case of Union of India versus Sankram Kesari Nayak, ruled that promotion of an employee is not a fundamental right. However, consideration for it definitely. Here, in this case law, the court said that it is not a fundamental right, but a consideration to be done. That is the another angle they given the judgment. And another case, Krishna Chandra Kope versus the state of Jharkhand and others. A headmaster has working in a school, and management, even if the management wishes to recruit a person from outside, if it is find that person is not suitable for the position, it can do so. Say for example, the person is available within the company, but the company is not ready to take the person inside, and they want to take the person from outside for the vacancy arises in the position. So that is not a problem with respect to the case of Krishna Chandra Kope versus the state of Chandrakant and others. So the management having the every right to consider any person for the promotion, whether that may be the internal person or from the external person, because based upon the competencies available for their requirement. That is set in the Krishna Chandra Kope versus the state of Chandrakant and others. Here, the educational qualification in the case of Markandeya versus state of Andhra Pradesh, higher pay scale can be prescribed for employees possessing the higher qualification. In the matter of employee promotion, classification on the basis of educational qualification so as to deny the eligibility to a higher post to an employer processing lesser qualification is valid. Here, some companies may have if someone is having the MBA degree, they will be considered for promotion. If someone came from the seniority, but his basic qualification is MSc or MA, like that, but he is having the good knowledge with respect to their job. But if the promotion policy said that the particular educational qualification is prescribed in their promotion policy, that is okay with respect to the case of Markandeya versus state of Andhra Pradesh. So educational qualification can also be inserted in the promotion policy. In the case of Roopchand Ataleka versus Delhi Development Authority, educational qualification can be justifiable be made on the basis of for the qualification for the purpose of promotion to the higher post. The same thing is considered in this case also. In the state of Jammu Kashmir versus Triloginath Kosha, Supreme Court of India said that to achieve the administrative efficiency is not arbitrary or impersonal under the Article 14 or 16 of the Constitution. Here, the equal opportunity to be given for the candidates. The court also accepted this right, but when the administrative efficiency you want to achieve means anybody can be considered, or anytime in the promotion policy which is available in the company that can be implemented, even if a person is having the equal knowledge, equal experience, that is not arbitrary or impersonal under the Article 14 or the 16 of the Constitution. With respect to the state of Jammu Kashmir versus Triloginath Kosha case. In the state of Jammu Kashmir versus Triloginath, the same case law, Supreme Court said that considering giving lesser qualified promotional opportunity also okay under the Roopchand Adalaka versus Delhi Development Authority case. If a person is having the lesser knowledge, lesser qualification, but he is having a good exposure to that position, he also can be considered. The Article 14 or 16 cannot come into the picture of while promoting a person. That is defined under the Roopchand Adalaka versus Delhi Development Authority case. The same case is repeated here. In the case of seniority, coming to that, Pushpa Vishnu versus State of Maharashtra. Seniority of an officer is determined with reference to the date of his regular appointment made according to the rules. This is inconsistent with the Article 14 and Article 16 of the Constitution of India. So, the seniority will take place when he has got the last promotion. That date will be considered, not from the date of joining actually. That is defined under the Pushpa Vishnu versus State of Maharashtra. This is also upheld with respect to Constitution of India under the Article 14 and Article 16. Karamchand versus Haryana State Electricity Board, the date of promotion to your particular grade or category determines the seniority in that grade or category. The same thing is repeated in this case law also. Sittaraju versus State of Karnataka, the bench in Rajiv Kumar Gupta and others, in the context of personal disability, that is also to be taken into consideration. A special point to be, factor of consideration to be given to the disabled person under the Disability Act 1995. Equal opportunity to be given for in the promotion. The promotion policy should pave the way for disability also. That is defined in the case of Sittaraju versus State of Karnataka. Leave vacancy. Here, some of the people will be posted for the leave vacancy. Someone will go on maternity leave. Say for a woman, naturally go in maternity leave. The position will arise. So that position can be filled with another person, but he cannot claim that as a promotion. That is defined in the Supreme Court in the Malcolm Lawrence versus Cecil D'Souza versus Union of India. In this case, this was clearly stated. Another case law is a reservation for handicapped in promotion. That is defined under the case of State of Kerala and Joseph. Here, in very famous case upheld by the Supreme Court, a promotion was not considered for the military person. He is a major general. He is about to retire within 2 years, but he is matched to the requirement of the promotion policy by the Indian military force actually. Then he appealed to the various committees, which is considering for the selection and promotion committee. He also appealed to them, but they have not considered his promotional eligibility. Then he went to the court. When he went to the court judgment given before the 2 days of the retirement. Then the appeal was made by the Indian military force because he is about to retirement. His retirement is within 2 days. how we can consider him for the promotion. The court said, Supreme Court said, you have to consider him for the promotion because of he is having the matching to the requirement of as per the your promotional policy, and you should extend his period of service another 2 years. He should be posted to that promotional category, and he should be given 2 years, another 2 years as per the fundamental rights given under the Article 14 and 14 and 16. A famous judgment given by the court, Supreme Court. And another few case laws, Ashok Kumar Gupta versus UP. In this case, right to be considered for promotion and right to promotion is not there actually. So, right, a person is A is to be considered along with the another 4. The A to be promoted can be denied because of his criteria adopted by the promotion in the promotion policy. Union of India versus Sangram Kesari Naik. At least every employee should be given a chance to prove himself. That is defined under the Union of India and the Sangram Kesari Naik case. Krishna Chandra Kobe versus State of Jharkhand. This we have seen earlier. There's another case also we have seen earlier. And here, 2 categories of posts don't necessarily enjoy the same pay scale merely because of their further channel of promotion is the same. That is in the Himachal Pradesh High Court said there is 2 person has been promoted to the similar designation. Say for example, deputy general manager or general manager, but the salary hike has been given in different. So they filed the petition before the court in the case of Chandra Verma versus HP Agro Industries Corporation Limited. The court said same pay scale and the factors such as separate governing rules, varying modes of recruitment, distinct qualification, unique job profile should be adopted. So here court said that though they both of them were posted in the similar position, that is promoted to the similar post, but the caliber for the one person A and B will be different based upon his qualification and the job profile, uniqueness of the job profile, because GM operations profile may not be matched to the GMHR profile. Maybe some difference will be there. The promotion policy will be not similar to that. So they can, given the promotion and the scale of pay differently, they cannot question these things under the promotion policy, under the case law of Chand Verma versus HP Agro Industries Limited. And promotion cannot be denied because of criminal charge proceeding. Here, many of the companies in India, we are not considering the person since his case is pending before the that is even a case is filed before the police. We are not considering for the promotion. That is, there should not be. Union of India versus Anil Kumar Sarkar, where it is observed that promotion etc. cannot be withheld merely because of some disciplinary or criminal proceedings are pending against an employee. So very clear-cut case. In many of the cases, in like these cases, they said that the promotion should not be denied because of criminal proceedings is there. Here, another one case law. Here, in this case law, Union of India versus Indian Navy Civil Design Officers Association, the court involved in the promotion category. They questioned how you evaluated the person, how you were appointing a person in promoted category. All these things are questioned. But in the appeal, in the case of Union of India versus Indian Naval Civil Design Officers Association, the Supreme Court very clearly said that if the company or the organization is having the clear-cut nature of work, duties, accountability, and the responsibility attached to the post, extent of power conferred on the persons holding the particular post, promotional avenues which are available, and Condition of service to the particular position is well defined. Horizontal and vertical relativities with a similar job, etc., is derived very clearly to that particular promotional post. And if someone is appealing against the promotion, the court should not invoke their nose into that. Very clearly said in the Union of India versus Indian Navy Civil Design Officers Association, very famous case. This is what I want to do, and I will show you another one company. Actually, they posted in this one. I will show that one also. Everybody able to see this one?
It's visible. Yeah.
Yeah. Actually, this company well defined. Actually, many public sector undertaking defined the promotional policy. One company derived their promotional policy for workmen and supervisor. They also derived the promotional policy for the, see here, scope and coverage, definition. Employee means what? How much length of service he should serve, eligibility period for promotion, how their grading to be. They graded from workman 1 to workman 8 for workmen, and S1 to S3 for supervisory cadre. Like that, they defined it. And what is meant by cadre? And how, if we are deriving the policy, means how the objective should be. What is the objective? They provide equal and adequate career growth opportunity to employees to be derived, and employees to be update the knowledge and the skill which would help them in their job performance and the career growth, contributing to the performance of the organization. That is the main objective in this company, very clearly stated. And the general principle, how the principle, if we are promoting someone, channel of promotion, and how they are conducting test interview like that, and test interview like that, and categorization of workmen, how promotion category, supervisor category, all these things are available. They will be kept under the probation for the promotion, and which categories will be like that. That is very much clearly stated here. And essential qualification, and how they are rating, actually very clearly stated. If he is coming under the workman category to supervisor category, within supervisory category, how he should be considered. If outstanding means what is the score, very good means how many points he will score. All these things are very clearly stated. And honorarium rate for setting and evaluation of question paper and answer sheet, and the methodology. So all these things are available. Here you can see, as per the case law, they defined for qualification 20 weightage, length of service in the present post 20 weightage, annual performance appraisal reports 30%, test in the interview 30%. And they categorize the people: unskilled, semi-skilled, skilled, ministerial, and highly skilled. Like that, they categorized for the category of promotion from workman to supervisory and supervisory to executive cadre. Here also, for the supervisory category, qualification is 20% weightage, length of service, present job 20. Like that, very clearly they stated. So this is what I want to present to the people. Any questions or anything?